Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by importing all footage. Make sure the clips you need are in Capcut's media bin. Once imported, drag each clip onto the timeline in a rough sequence to build your story. You should pinch to zoom the timeline so you can be precise, then trim clip ends with the handles and use the split tool to cut out unwanted sections. This first pass is about structure, not perfection. Get everything laid out so you can focus on refining next. Once your clips are on the timeline, refine timing by trimming frame by frame and nudging clips by 0. Ones to tighten pacing. Then add transitions from the transitions menu between shots and adjust their duration to match rhythm. Subtle is usually better. If you have B-roll or overlays, place them on a track above the main clip and use opacity or masking to blend. Make sure audio aligns with cuts and lower background, track levels so dialogue or main sound remains clear. Now polish the edit. Apply color correction and matching to keep shots consistent, then balance audio with volume envelopes and add final titles. Once satisfied, open export and choose resolution and frame rate, 1080p at 30 or 60 fps and H. 264 is reliable, then set bitrate appropriate for quality. If playback or exported video stutters, try clearing Capcut's cache.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.